Respectable teachers and honorable faculty members of RIE, a very happy afternoon to everyone. I am V. Shakti from Puducherry to present my feedback on the 30-day CELT training program online. We feel much privileged to be a part of the most adored CELT program conducted by the reputed RIESC Bangalore. I take immense pleasure in expressing my feedback on behalf of Puducherry and Karaikal teachers. A guitar has 6 strings to present most melodious songs. A beehive is 6-sided to collect the most tasty honey. A dice has 6 sides to decide our success and failure in games. There are 6 tastes in traditional Indian medicine called Ayurveda. Number 6 has a significant importance in every religion too. In mathematics, 6 is the smallest perfect number, and to add on, there are numerous credits to number 6. And we teachers who attended CELT training recognize the wonderful number 6 with our uncomparable mentoring team of 6 members. Throughout the 30-day sessions, we relished a great feast with 6 wonderful tastes of English language, namely Dr. Ravinarayanan sir, Dr. Hitesh sir, Dr. Gururaj sir, Dr. Usma ma'am, Dr. Batmashri ma'am, Dr. Pujagiri ma'am. And we were also served with some desserts with the lectures of some wonderful mentors like tea support members, librarian Manjula ma'am, and other supportive tastes which made us enjoy the feast from the beginning till the end. The entire feast by RIE took us to the level of satiety, quenching our thirst and hunger of language learning. We were more eagerly looking forward to visit RIE Bangalore when all situations changes. I hope everyone would have enjoyed to the brim as me. Do you agree? And to add on, I wish to present some verbal garlands to honor our sesset of the sonnet. Primarily, I wish to speak on Dr. Ravi Narayanan sir, our course coordinator, S Master, and our mentor. Sir, you are resourceful with radiant resources, authentic authority of appropriate approaches, valuable words of you made us technically literate. Incredible is your service at RIE. Nurturing every talent is thy specialty. Academic excellence is thy vitality. Reliable radiance is thy gesture. Amicably accessible is an appreciable nature. Youthfulness in look and scholarly in fact. Absolutely authentic and academically accessible ATM. Nourishing nutrition you fed our minds with. Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Gururaj sir, your gallant in voice, unique are thy ways to commend, rational, reachable, and rewardable. Ultimately enjoyable are thy sessions, rhapsodic in nature, wipes our worries, angelic voices heard, invisible yet jovial and joyful are thy ways to deal with. Wonderful were the sessions, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Hitesh, sir. Wow, what the words. Hero of hard work portrayed before us. Inconceivably idealistic are thy ways. Thy tantalizing talent would inspire every soul. Eclectic taste in English encourages us. Scintillating lecture glued as screen bound. Heuristic in approaches and healing in tone. Thank you so much, sir. We were inspired by you, ma'am. Unabashed utterances ultimately awes us, ma'am. Zappy and zealous articulation turns a learner a phonetic zen, ma'am. Magnanimous modernity magics myriad ways to master English. Accurate assumptions appreciates ultimate learning. Thank you so much, ma'am. We were privileged to be taught by you. Bhatmashri, ma'am, searching dictionary for words, ma'am. Passionate speeches voice thy prominence. Admirable approaches never miss appreciation. Dedicated and devoted to delightful learning. Meritorious methods made us maniacal English monks. Amazing and appealing in every other session. Sincere sessions freezes us sedentary. Heavenly herald to boost our learning. Rapturous tone is reverberating even after logouts. Electrifying illustrations energized us immensely. Exquisite elegance turns e learning interesting. Thank you so much, ma'am. Pujagiri, ma'am, we are perplexed by your ways, ma'am. Pleasant perfection is thy taste. Optimistic originality deserves outstanding ovation. Open minded appreciations opens up opportunity to craving minds. Jubilant illustrations leads to joyful learning. Amusingly approachable and adequately adaptable. Gentle in talks and genuine approach. Illuminated by thy intelligent lectures, reviving teaching methods are really impeccable, immeasurably immaculate in thy sharing. Thank you so much, ma'am. I must not miss mentioning the sessions by Suman Badi sir, Guru Kazinathan sir. They were absolutely adding cashews and cherries to the extraordinary feast. Thank you so much, teachers. Thank you so much, faculty members. And thank you, one and all, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.